Welcome, everyone. It is a Tuesday. It's a rainy day in Georgia, and the rain is sprinkling outside, preventing me from going to feed my pigs and my goats and my ducks and my chickens. I was ruthlessly attacked by a silky rooster yesterday. Yes, I survived, and am here to tell the story. Hope you all are doing good. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We got Matt Jollywally here with us today as he is on vacation and was last seen in the beach somewhere and with the family. So that looked good being out in the ocean. We got Dwayne with us. We got Shane with us. We've got Brandy with us and Mo. So good to see Mo. Hey, Mo. I love the Three Stooges. So let's see, what are y'all saying? In the Gulf of America, baby. I like it. I like it a lot. So welcome in. The market's not doing much at all. It has been watching molasses on a cold day. It's just been in a range day, range. Remember, about 80% of days are range days, and you can clearly see the range to the top, range to the bottom, range to the top, range to the bottom, range to the top. And VIX is really low. Someone actually scolded me yesterday. Bobby, what are you doing selling premium with the VIX so low? And I thought, well, there's never a good time not to sell premium, is there? So we sold premium yesterday when the market was down. That kind of makes sense. The market's down, that's when you sell those puts. And so I don't know. We're not going to overdo it. We're not going to overdo it. Like I'm not doing another one today because the market's up. We'll wait for another good down day to add a position in our 111, 112 strategies that we're doing. So AD is 106 and the ES has not been following the AD today. Remember when I was scalping before, we would say AD moves and then the market moves, but it's been off kilter a little bit today. It's not been as smooth as we've seen. See AD going up here, and what did the market do? The market went down. So it's been a little bit disjointed today, but nonetheless. So yesterday I was having trouble drawing the big green monster. I didn't have trouble yesterday after I went back through it and I said, okay, I remember how to do it. So we are very at the level of being fairly priced, but we're really close to being, actually, we're actually fairly priced. We're close to being overbought. So what we would anticipate is a move back to the point of control here and maybe a move back. See where this gap is, this little vacuum here? Nature abhors vacuums. And it may follow back into that 62.12 area in the coming days. So we shall see. But it can bounce around here sometime. We do have a vacuum here that could be drawing us upward a little bit. So I always say if it doesn't go up, it's going to go down. But this kind of gives you some indication of where the market will be for the next couple of days. Let's look at the linear regression. We didn't look at it yesterday, and let's see how it's looking. It has been a bullish scenario for quite some time, and I don't see anything that's causing me pause to say anything other than bullish. We had this line here that was support. Now it's become resistance, but we are still kind of going up around that line. And remember, it wasn't long ago we said we'll be hitting the 6,300s, and there we are. Look at that. We were above 6,300, weren't we? So the E-minis are doing what the E-minis do on so many occasions. It's going up. Let's look at our 111 that we put on yesterday, and it looks like the little devil is doing good. Let's see so far with the market up today. If I remember my password. There we go. So our bill is up $20 today. Our MES is up 814 altogether, 689 on the day. So we're up $12 on the day on that. Now I wanted to remember because I was like, I forgot how to use the thing here. We went over here to look at the risk profile. And basically, now, Brandy, this is good because we go to the risk profile over here, risk analysis, and we change IV points up, if IV were to go up 40 points and the market were to go down 20%, how bad would that 111 trade hurt us, right? So it looks like we've got a maximum exposure on that trade of about $2,800. So if crap hits the fan, so to speak, and the market goes down 20% and the VIX goes up 40 points from 16 to 56, you're looking at a $2,800 loss. So that's pretty good, right? Without the put debit spread, let's see, it's what would it be then? Without the put debit spread would be 2,900. So this gives us a little bit of protection, not much at all. All right. So that's it for the day, other than my scalping today. And scalping is, let's see, we are up $102. Let's see where our thing was today. So basically in this range, you see there we shorted this, the crossover of the here, and we got long here. Where else did we go? We've had several trades today, $102. That was a quick little trade. Shorted there, off of the 21 EMA, got long there. Shorted here, added a contract here, and able to get out at a profit here. So this was a bad trade. I shorted on a crossover of the 21 EMA where price crossed over the 21 EMA. We added to it at VWAP. It went against me. We were down about 200 points and finally got some good action to the downside and brought that to a winner. So we're up $102 on our little scalping as we still continue to learn with that. So you all have a good rest of your day. I love you to pieces. Hang around with us, and I will see y'all tomorrow.